Nuisance law, and only 19 Action News was rolling when it happened. Ed Gallick is here to show you what happened.
Well, this video made us ask, isn't there a better way? Watch what police did cracking down on some kids playing basketball in the street. A portable basketball hoop hauled away as evidence, dragged away. That hoop in front of a house on Mayview, Cleveland's near west side. Sherry Fiorilli bought the hoop for neighbor kids. They help her out. But in Cleveland, you can't play ball in the street. And that led to this, and Sherry getting a ticket. Here, cell phone video.
People are complaining that they're playing ball in the street. There's no warning. There's nothing I can do. Plenty of parks around here. If they want to play basketball, their parents can take them to a rec center or to a park with a hoop. There's no leeway. It's a must.
He had a bad temper. I just felt sad.
The kids stunned. Sherry, too. And an officer grew impatient.
I need to see your driver's license again. If not, I have to arrest you for refusing to comply.
But did
Cleveland Police, Hollinger.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm sitting in the park at West Boulevard by the West Boulevard Rapid Transit Station. And there was a guy in there with a pistol. You know, it's probably fake, but he's like pointing it at everybody.
And where are you at, sir?
I'm sitting in the park at West Cudell, West Boulevard by the West Boulevard Rapid Transit Station.
So you're at the rapid station? Are you at the rapid station?
No, I'm sitting across the street in the park.
What's the name of the park? Cudell?
Cudell, yes. The guy keeps pulling it in out of his pants. It's probably fake, but you know what?
What does he look like?
He has a camouflage hat on.
Is he black or white?
He has a gray coat with black sleeves and gray pants on.
Is he black or white?
I'm sorry.
Is he black or white?
He's black.
You said a camel jacket and gray pants?
No, he has a camouflage hat on. You know what that is?
Yeah.
Desert Storm. And on his jacket is gray, and he's got black sleeves on it. He's sitting on a swing right now, but he keeps pulling it in and out of his pants and pointing it at people. Probably a juvenile, you know. Hello?
Do you know the guy?
No, I do not. Sure.
Okay, what's the police, okay?
I'm getting ready to leave, but you know what? He's right there by the, the youth center or whatever. And he keeps pulling it in and out of his pants. I don't know if it's real or not. You know?
Okay, we'll send a call there. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
According to the officer's statement released by prosecutors Tuesday, a white Cleveland patrolman who shot a 12-year-old black boy carrying a pellet gun told investigators that he and his partner continuously yelled, "Show me your hands," before he fired the fatal shots. The rookie officer said that Tamir Rice didn't obey his commands and that he saw the boy pulling a weapon out of his waistband. Officer Timothy Lohman said in the statement given to investigators, "I knew it was a gun and I knew it was coming out."
Impose an arbitrary deadline.
We got his sister. But we need EMS here right away.
Alright, yeah, they were advised to step it up. Is the suspect the guy with the camel hat?
Camel hat, gray shirt, black sleeves, gray pants.
Okay, and he's still going any direction?
Oh, he's down. That's why we need EMS.
Oh, he's the guy that got shot. Okay. Yeah, no, EMS was advised to step it up. They're en route.
Send fire or somebody. They're right around the corner from us.